Wondering which online jobs will accept you with no experience? No need to worry. This video will help you learn various ways to work from home without any experience. If you have experience in making money online, you will probably find lots of ways to make extra cash fast. If you are like many others who don't have any past experience working from home online, you may still find flexible jobs or gigs that you can complete from home online. Today, I'm going to show you 10 ways to make money online with no experience. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Online surveys. Taking online surveys is one of the most popular side hustles. While it's not the highest paying opportunity available, there are a few specific reasons why it's a popular way to make extra cash. You can take surveys whenever and wherever you have time. For example, if you're at home and have time to spare, you can take surveys from a desktop or a laptop. If you're riding a bus or train to work, you can make extra money by taking surveys from your smartphone. Online surveys can be a good side hustle for anyone looking to make a small amount of extra income each month. If you want or need to make more than a few $100s each month, you're better off pursuing something else. However, if you're only looking to make a small amount, you can start earning money with surveys right away. If you want to make money with surveys, it's best to join a few different sites or apps. The number of surveys available on each online platform will be limited. So, if you're using a few websites or apps, you'll have access to more surveys and more opportunities to make money. Number 2. Virtual assistant. That's just scratching the surface, as there are hundreds of services that VAs can offer. While you don't need previous work experience to make money as a VA, you need some skills. But the beauty of becoming a virtual assistant is that you can monetize whatever skills you already have. You may have developed skills on your own outside of a job, but those skills can still be valuable to potential clients. For example, maybe you've had a blog of your own, and you're able to help businesses who need someone to manage their blog. Or perhaps you're good with social media, and you can help clients who don't have the time or knowledge to manage and grow their own social media presence. Working as a VA is a very flexible way to make money. It could be a side hustle that you do for a few hours per week, or it could become a full-time business. The income potential is also quite good. The highest earning VAs can earn $10,000 per month or more. While there are job sites specifically for VA work, the income opportunity from these jobs is limited. If you want to learn how to build your own freelance business as a VA, Gina Horkey's Fully Booked VA is an outstanding resource led by a highly successful VA. Number 3. Freelance writer. Working as a freelance writer is one of the best ways to make money online, and you don't need any specific experience. Of course, you'll need to have strong writing and grammar skills, but it's not as difficult as you might think. Most freelance writing gigs today are for online publications, and many websites and blogs prefer to publish conversational and informal content. Don't think that you can't work as a freelance writer because you struggled with term papers in school. The writing is entirely different and much more natural for most online publications. As far as grammar and spelling skills are concerned, tools like Grammarly can help immensely. There are writing opportunities in just about every industry and niche you can imagine. Some freelance writers take a general approach and write about anything the client wants, but it's more lucrative to specialize in one industry or topic. Ideally, you can specialize in something you already know well so you can hit the ground running. Maybe you have knowledge from a previous job or a hobby that you can monetize by writing for clients. The rates of freelance writers are all over the place, but specialized writers tend to earn more due to their expertise. Like working as a VA, freelance writing is equally well suited to be a side hustle or a full-time job. You can start small and scale up by adding new clients as you go. Number 4. Blogger. If you like the idea of freelance writing, but you don't want to work for clients, another option is to start your blog. Blogging is also an excellent opportunity for anyone who wants to run an online business part-time or full-time, especially if you happen to have some writing skills. You can start a blog on any topic you like, but if you want to make money, it's best to stick with niches that are proven to be profitable, like business, finance, health and fitness, wellness, family and parenting, travel, fashion, and beauty. Since these are all very competitive niches, it's a good idea to choose a sub-niche to specialize in, like vegan recipes instead of general health. Blogging is something you can do part-time as it fits your schedule. However, it's also possible to grow into a full-time income. Many successful bloggers earn an outstanding income from their blogs. Number 5. Proofreader. Working as a proofreader is an excellent option for someone with solid spelling and grammar skills, as well as a strong eye for detail. You don't need previous work experience to start, but you will need the skills to do the job. Several websites and online platforms offer proofreading work. Still, the best way to maximize your income potential is to work on your own as a freelancer rather than looking for an employer. Number 6. Transcription. If you are able to type fast and accurately, working as a transcriptionist is an ideal way to make money. It's highly flexible work, with most online transcription jobs allowing you to set your schedule. And it's also a skill you can develop. You can fine-tune your typing skills by taking online typing tests until you're ready to start working. Transcription work can be done part-time or full-time. Some jobs do require transcription experience, but many others are open to beginners. While many websites offer transcription work, the pay from most of those companies is on the low side. To increase your earning potential, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Number 7. Translation. If you're multilingual, working as a translator is a natural choice. Translation jobs tend to pay well because only a limited number of people have the skills to perform the job, and there is plenty of work available. As a translation specialist, you could be translating books, blog posts, audio files, and more. Many jobs do not require previous translation experience, but of course, you'll need excellent language skills to meet the qualifications. The more languages you know, the better. Number 8. Social media manager. If you have a strong understanding of popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, you could offer your services to businesses that need help. As a social media manager, you would manage your clients' social profiles and keep new content coming to help boost their presence and influence. If you have some design skills, you can also create images and graphics for social media posts. Some social media managers also manage ad campaigns for clients to promote their products or services. Many business owners want to advertise on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, but they don't know how to set up or manage those ads. Working as a social media ad specialist is one of the best entry-level online jobs, as you'll be able to demand more money than a social media manager who doesn't deal with ads. Number 9. Graphic designer. Working as a freelance graphic designer is an excellent opportunity for anyone who has design skills. You don't need past work experience, but you'll probably need a portfolio to start landing clients. If you have some design skills, chances are you already have some completed projects to include in your portfolio. And if you don't, you can do some personal projects or offer discounted work to family and friends to gather a few work samples to create a portfolio. Getting started. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are options for beginners, but building up your profile on these platforms takes time and effort. Many freelance designers get started by finding clients through their personal networks. Talk to your friends, family members, coworkers, as long as there's no conflict of interest, neighbors, and other colleagues, and tell them about the services you offer. Some may be interested in hiring you, or they may know other people who need a designer. Once you get started, word of mouth will become the best way to build your client base. Of course, you could also look for an employer offering entry-level design jobs, but you'll sacrifice the flexibility that comes with freelancing. Number 10. Microtasker. Microtasks are small jobs that are very quick, usually just a few minutes or less. There are platforms that companies can use to hire individuals to complete these microtasks, and they present an income opportunity for just about everyone. Working as a microtasker is somewhat similar to taking online surveys. Your income potential is limited and your hourly rate will be pretty low, but it's exceptionally flexible, and anyone can do it. If you need to start making money right away, microtasking is an option. Microtasking isn't ideal for a full-time income, but it's a way to make a small amount of extra money without disrupting your schedule. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.